So if we rediscuss it, what we have done, so you can say simultaneous equation. There are two methods. So the first method we discussed, that is elimination. What does the meaning of elimination word? Elimination means removal of one of the variable that you have. Okay, you have basically two variables and we want to remove one of the variable. How we removed it? So you're gonna say we make the coefficient same. Okay, what's the coefficient? The number that is written in front of the variable or in multiplication with the variable. So x have a 4, x have a 2. So I multiplied the equation number 2 by 2 so that the coefficient become 4 and 4 for x. So we got equation number 3 after that multiplication. Then we have to decide, this is the step number 1. You can say this is what? You can say this is the step number 1, that you have to decide how you will make the coefficient same. Then the step number 2 is what? You have to decide either you will be adding them or subtracting them. So how you will decide? What you will say? How we decided
Um,
we have to add or subtract?
uh,
Yeah, you have to check their sign. Okay, 4x is a positive 4x. This 4x is also a positive. Yes or no? If they both are the same, positive, positive, then you have to make them one of negative. How you can make one of them negative? By subtraction. Okay. So you can say if both are same sign, then we do subtract. Okay. And if they are opposite sign, then we can add them. Okay. That's how you will decide the step number 2. So while subtracting, just change the sign of the equation that you're writing at bottom. So we are doing 3 minus 1. So 3, the equation number 3 will be written at top. Equation number 1 will be at bottom, and then we are changing their sign. 4x was previously positive, so I put it a negative sign. 3y was positive, I put it a negative sign. 3 was positive, I put it a negative sign. So we subtracted them, we got a 0. Negative 8 and negative 3 give out negative 11. And then we got a y value as negative 1 later on. Yes or no? Then you have to do what? This is the step number 3. So step number 3 says what? Substitute that y value or x value that you got from step 2 in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. Got it? Any confusion?
no.
No. So now let's continue the discussion with what? With the substitution method. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes the substitution method is easier. Sometimes the elimination method is easier. So that's up to you, like which one you feel or you find out easy, you can follow that one. Both will give you the same answers. So if I tell you the substitution method, so let's write down the equation again. So the equations are 4x plus 3y equal to 3, and the second equation is 2x minus 4y equal to 7. So as the name is suggesting, you have to substitute the value. Okay, what do you have to do? Substitute the value. So what I will be doing, look at there, like I am taking the equation number 2. What's the value of x I will have? So you will say 2x is equals to 7 plus 4y. If you take the 4y to other side, it will become what? 7 plus 4y?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Then what you can say? X will be equal to how much? 7 plus 4y over the 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we got one of the value. We got x value in terms of y. And then from where you got it? You got it from second equation. So you have to put it in the first equation. Get it? So
Yeah.
now we will substitute the x value in it. So what equation it will become? So you can say 4 times 7 plus 4y over a 2 plus a 3y is equals to 3 for us. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I cancel out something? So 2 will cut out the 4 at 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So I got 2 times 7 plus 4y plus a 3y is equals to 3. How we will simplify it further? 2 will be multiplied with both of them. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 14 plus 8y plus 3y is equals to what? A 3.
Yes.
Okay. Now what's the next step? 14 will go where? 14 is a
Eight.
constant, so it will go towards the 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this 8y and 3y will give you a 11y. And this time you got a 3 minus 14. So 11y come out to be negative 11. And then y will come out to be how much? A negative 1 for us? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now what we will do with this negative 1? You have to substitute this in this equation. Okay? You will get your x. So what we are doing? We are substituting it again. Okay? So how you will get? So look at there. X was equals to 7 plus 4y is divided by 2. Now I got a y value. How much it is? A negative 1. So I can say 7 plus 4 times minus 1 will give me a minus 4. Yes or no? Over a 2 I get. Get it?
Yes.
7 minus 4 is how much? A 3 over 2. So that's the value for x. Is it the same value that we are getting previously?
Yes.
Okay. So look at there, like the previous values were x equal to 3 by 2 and y was negative 1. Still you are getting y equal to negative 1 and 3 by 2. So which method is easier for you?
Um, eliminate.
Elimination. That's up to you, like which one you want to follow. Okay. Both are easy. Just like you need to do a bit more practice if you want to make one easier. Okay. The more you do practice, more like you will become habitual. Any
Mm,
confusion?
no.